One way to make your video stand out is by using an eye-catching font. A good number of fonts come with CapCut. You can take a look at them by clicking on the text menu. Next, click on the plus sign on default text. A font track will be added to your timeline. Now on the right panel, you can see a list of available fonts. You'll notice that some of the attractive fonts are available only with the Pro version. What if you don't find the available free fonts attractive enough for your video project? No sweat. You can always add your favorite fonts and use them in CapCut. Yes, you can add your own custom fonts. Here are the steps on how to add custom fonts to CapCut. First, close CapCut if the program is open. Next, launch your web browser and search for FontGet. This is a site where you can download different types of free fonts. Here we will select the typewriter theme. You can see a wide range of typewriter fonts you can download for free. Let's choose 1980s Writer. Click on the download icon on the bottom right. The font will be downloaded as a zip file. Next, extract the zip file. When you open the folder, you'll find a TrueType font file. You'll get an option to install the font when you click on it. Go ahead and install it. Next, launch CapCut and open your video project. Now click on the font list and scroll down to System. You'll find the newly installed font. Click on it to see how it appears on your video. Follow the steps above whenever you want to add a custom font to CapCut.
Simply click the link below to learn more.